Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator. Today I'm going to make a video as to advanced structure, or you can say connector, or you can say a word. It totally depends on you. So in the beginning I would like to say this atmosphere is totally awesome, tremendous, you can see as well. But this is not a sunny day, this is a rainy day, you can say, because yesterday it rains all night. Okay, so let's then have a look. So at first I am making this video through a drama so that you can understand my drama. Okay, so this is called it is easier said than done. So what is the meaning and what to use, how to use this kind of advanced structure in our daily conversation. So let's see and get into the video. Like I am imagining like there is a friend who is sitting beside me, and I am talking to him, and I'm talking to him, buddy, how are you? Yes, I am fine. And what about you? I'm doing good as well. But I have a question to you. Are you ready to answer? Yes, I'm ready to reply. So, like, how about climbing up the tree? How about climbing up the tree? It is a rainy day, because you see there are so many mangoes are ripe and they are hanging on the tree. So how about climbing up the tree? So buddy, climbing up the tree in this rainy day, it is easier said than done. Okay, okay, let it be. So I have another question. So I am willing to eat. Okay, I feel like eating so much spicy food. So how about going to restaurant? Going to restaurant. At first, I have to talk to you. Like, do you have any money? No, dear, I don't have any money. So I don't have any money too. So both of us are broke. So how to go any restaurant? So going to restaurant uh, in this situation, it is easier said than done. Okay, so how about taking money from your father? My father, it is so tough. Taking money from my father, it is easier said than done. Okay, so buddy, you are not my friend, you are my enemy, because no matter what I am saying to you, you are just talking about you don't do this, you don't do that. Okay, so how about junk food? Junk food. Quitting junk food, it is easier said than done. Okay, so that is how you can use this kind of structure. Most of the time you have watched this kind of sentence. Okay, so no more late, and take care. Assalamu alaikum.